All right, so I just got the Titanium Unlimited 140 welder from Harbor Freight in the mail today. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We got the directions. Looks like we got a regulator, knob for the regulator. See what the welder looks like. Stick welder and ground. And the gas line. And in this one is the TIG torch. MIG welding stuff. It's rolled up inside of there. All right, throw your spool on there. That's what runs the spool. Comes with all the settings. Some more up here. Overall, looks like it's going to be a good welder.